Morning to one and all. Hi everybody. I'm very much interested and more welcome all of you all to our Selvan School, and I'm very much anxious to say that we have started a YouTube channel in the name of our school, which has been going on. And please, I request all the parents, teachers, and all the students to subscribe the channel and develop our online sections a wonderful one. For past 1 month, we are going on an online class in our school from classes 1 to 5, where the students very well participate in their online classes and make it a wonderful one. And I thank all the parents for us to giving such a cooperation to our school with the kids to improve our online classes. This will be conducted regularly, and I request all the children to come on online classes regularly. And which class is being find up and which students who's been regularly participating in the online class will be put and shared up in the YouTube channels. And our school will be hereafter being followed only in English. Being an English medium school, it will be subscribed only in English. All the teachers and the students and the parents will be here coming on 2 and 4 will be knowing English more and more fluently. And I am going to inform you all that the children also will be fully have the conversation, speech and everything on English. I am proud to say to make up the school a developing skill in knowledge of English, being a higher primary and matriculation school. And other thing is, we are forward to inform that this following academic year, our primary sections will be in the higher secondary section. That is, we are going to start up 6th standard from the following academic year. So, I am mostly welcoming all the parents and all the children to subscribe our channel Selvan School in YouTube, which has been kindly opened, and I request all the viewers to subscribe the channel and make a school a wonderful one. It has been put up in Puliyangudi and Tenkasi district. I thank you all. And these classes, daily we'll be having classes on online sections, and even classes will be taken on live, which has been going to be telecast in our YouTube channels. I request each and every parents to subscribe the channel. So, any of the students of higher secondary from 5th to 6th will be taken up here also, and it will be finally gradually developed to 8th standard too. Being a long gap of this being of Corona, after this all the sorts outs, will be having the school with a fine wealth knowledge of English, with the slang of views, and also with the slang of knowledge of English, which has been promoted by the teachers, by the principal of me, and my eligible and my respectable sir, our correspondents, who's been taken up such a care of our school and making it a wonderful section. Thank you all. I welcome all the teachers, parents to build up in the online classes, and each and every day we'll be promoting more and more interesting classes in online and more activities also. Thank you all once again. Make it a wonderful one. Subscribe our channel and make it a wonderful school too. I request all to stay online. Subscribe it and make a wonderful channel. Thank you all. See you. Bye.